let's make a fun little Christmas in July project. We're going to turn this little canvas into what looks like a little present, but it's going to be sort of more like a sign. So what I've done is I've just printed out my favorite printable onto some calico, and I've just sort of frayed around the edges, and I'm then just cutting out some ribbon just to complement that, and then gluing that into place so it looks like I'm wrapping a present. Then I'm just going to glue down the printable into place on the burlap canvas, and then just flip it over and then just fasten those ribbon bits into place, and then I'm going to cut off all of the excess. Then I'm going to take some scrap material and I'm just going to make a cute little messy bow. You can use whatever you like that complements your printable or your taste.
Tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep
And then I'm just going to glue that into place at the top of the present so that it looks like a present. And then I'm just going to trim away some of the excess and fluff it up a little bit. And then I'm going to take some greenery and some rusty bells and some berries, and I'm just going to embellish that bow a little bit further. Then I'm just taking some spray adhesive, and I'm just adding it, sprayed it onto the tree because I just want to add a few little bits of glitter just to add a bit of bling to the printable. And there you have it. I hope you get to make one too. Thank you for watching.